The top pool table brands. Who makes the best? Have you ever wondered which company is behind those flawless pool tables that professionals swear by? Look no further as we unveil the top players in this industry. We have scoured through countless reviews, spoken to enthusiasts, and tried out numerous models ourselves to bring you an insider's look at who makes the best pool tables. From iconic manufacturers with a rich history in billiards to lesser-known gems crafting modern masterpieces, this article will guide you through it all. Get ready to elevate your playing experience as we reveal the champions in this competitive world of cue sports. Number 1. Olhausen. About the brand. This 50-year-old company produces premium pool tables. Price range from 2-digit to 4-digit. Olhausen has been producing billiards tables along with table tennis tables, shuffleboards, and more in Portland, Tennessee, since 1972. Its line of billiards tables range in design from modern to rustic, use top-quality materials, and offer a broad range of customization options. These high-end pool tables don't come cheap, though, with most models ranging from $5,000 to $6,000. This price point makes them a good option for serious players who are looking for a table that will last many years. Top products. Olhausen Americana Pool Table. This aptly named pool table features curved legs, a deep brown finish, and leather net pockets, giving it a traditional look that suits its name. Like many of Olhausen's tables, this one is customizable with 2 pocket-style options and a choice of various felt colors. Olhausen Hampton Pool Table. The Hampton features the craftsmanship and high-quality felt of Olhausen's line of pool tables, plus drawer storage that conveniently holds cue sticks. Like the company's other pool tables, the Hampton offers felt color and pocket-style options. Olhausen Bishop Pool Table. The Bishop is a great example of the diversity of Olhausen's collection, abandoning traditional looks for a modern design. It's also one of the company's most expensive pool tables. Keeping with its dedication to customization, it comes in more than a dozen finish options. Number 2. Hathaway. About the brand. Hathaway offers lower-cost pool tables by using more affordable materials, such as engineered wood and melamine. Hathaway pool tables are much more affordable than offerings from premium pool table names in the market. The company's pool tables, which are available from major retailers like the Home Depot, range in price from $600 to $2,000. The lower-end tables are made from engineered wood and melamine, with metal corners and caps, making for a sturdy if not elegant pool table. The company's product line also includes waterproof and UV-resistant pool tables, suitable for outdoor setups. Top products. Hathaway Mirage Pool Table. At a fraction of the cost of premium pool tables, the Mirage is a great option for those who want to add a pool table to their home without having to spend a lot of money. Though the table lacks the elegance, premium materials, and engineering of premium pool tables, it is constructed of durable engineered wood and melamine. Hathaway Augusta Pool Table. One of Hathaway's higher-end models, this pool table has a more elegant style than its lower-end models. It also comes with a full set of sticks and balls. Hathaway Excalibur Pool Table. Similar to Hathaway's other pool tables, this model features melamine-coated engineered wood. With its minimalist design, it's suitable for rec rooms and basement man caves. Number 3. Fat Cat. About the brand. Fat Cat sells budget-priced billiards tables and combination 3-in-1 game tables. Fat Cat is a subsidiary of Milwaukee-based GLD Products, which has been making popular bar game equipment, including darts, billiards, and gaming tables for the past 30 years. Similar to Hathaway, Fat Cat makes more affordable pool tables that fall in the $600 to $1,200 range. The company's pool tables offer some of the best bang for your buck in terms of build quality, with features such as solid wood rails, slate playing surfaces, diamond inlays, and K66 bumpers. The company also makes multi-game pool tables that combine other popular games, such as air hockey and table tennis, with billiards in one table. Top products. Fat Cat Reno Billiard Table. Fat Cat's top-of-the-line pool table has many of the features found in higher-priced pool tables, at a much more affordable price. Among the Reno's features are solid wood rails, leather drop pockets, and pearlized diamond inlays. Fat Cat True Shot Billiard Table. This portable pool table features collapsible legs that allow it to fold flat for storage. This design makes it ideal for those with limited space for a pool table. Fat Cat Phoenix Billiard Table. For those looking to add more than just billiards to their rec room, This billiard table offers great bang for your buck. This 3-in-1 model functions as an air hockey table and ping pong table, as well as a pool table. Number 4. Brunswick. About the brand. Brunswick manufactures a broad range of recreational products ranging from boats to pool tables. Brunswick Corporation, based in Mettawa, Illinois, manufactures a variety of recreational products and machines, including pool tables. The first pool table manufacturer in the U.S., Brunswick is known for its use of high-quality materials in its pool tables, which feature hardwood, professional-grade fabric, and 1-inch thick slate. Brunswick's pool tables are made to order, offer a long list of customization options, and are highly sought after, making them one of the more expensive brands of pool tables on the market. Top products. Brunswick Glenwood 8-feet pool table. With the option to select everything from cloth color to leg style to pocket design, one can tailor this pool table to suit nearly any interior design. The Glenwood is a great example of the quality and customization Brunswick offers. Brunswick Black Wolf Pro. With its sleek lines, use of dark hardwood, and all-metal corners, the Black Wolf Pro offers a more contemporary look than typical traditional pool tables. Brunswick Allenton Pool Table. Allenton represents the most affordable of Brunswick's pool tables. Despite its comparatively lower price, it comes in hardwood, cherry, or chestnut, and features premium professional-grade felt. Number 5. Diamond Billiard. About the brand. With its precision engineering and strict adherence to pro standards, Diamond Billiard Products is the preferred provider for sanctioned pool tournaments. Those in the market for a pool table to help them hone their skills for tournament play may look no further than Diamond Billiard Products. Diamond's pool tables are designed for pros, which is evident in the fact that they've been used in more than 100 major pool tournaments. The company started in 1987 in Louisville, Kentucky, with the goal of creating quality pool tables that would be used in tournament play. Its pool tables include its Pro-Am and Professional line, both of which are renowned for their durability and adherence to professional standards. Top products. Diamond Black PRC Pool Table. The Black PRC is renowned not only for the high quality of its materials, but also for its playability. It features a one-piece 1-inch slate design that makes it the preferred table for many pros. Diamond Paragon Pool Table. This striking table features curved legs and hardwood maple construction, giving it a look suitable for more sophisticated decor. It also includes the same build quality and the playability characteristic of Diamond's tournament pool tables. Diamond Professional Pool Table. With its wedge leveling system and precision design, the Professional is one of the most widely used pool tables at sanctioned tournaments. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Cole products, as it will make your life much easier.